How to change WhatsApp language to English from other language. If any day you are a WhatsApp user and you would like to change your WhatsApp language to English from the other languages, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very WhatsApp application on your mobile device. You have to find the very WhatsApp application, and after you find it, you have to tap on that. Now, after you tap on WhatsApp application like this, WhatsApp will be launched on your mobile device. After that, you can go to the three dots on the top and then go to the option of settings. After you tap on settings, now you have to scroll down until you find the option of app language and tap on that. Now, after you tap on app language here, you can set the very language to any of the language that you want. For example, if it was set to any of the other language except the new English language, then you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on this very icon where a global like icon is shown. You can tap on that, and after that you can set it to English like this. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.